Make paper airplanes. Prepare the colored papers and follow the steps to make the paper airplanes. Hello again! Let's do the worksheet together. Can you guess what I'm talking about? I have 2 wings. I can fly in the sky, but I am not an insect or a bird. For me to fly in the sky, someone needs to pilot me. What am I? That's right. I am an airplane. Let's make some cool paper airplanes. We're going to make 2 types of airplanes, so we need 2 colored papers. It doesn't matter what colored papers you have. I prepared blue and pink. What colored paper do you have? Perfect. Let's get started. Let's make our first paper airplane, classic dart airplane. First, you want to fold the paper in half vertically. Next, unfold the paper. Using the crease of the fold we just made, use it as a guide as we fold in each corner towards the center line. See how the top edge of the paper meets the center line? Let's do the other side. Wow, we folded both corners into the center line. Now we need to fold each side into the center line once more. Let's copy what we did before, but this time more of the edge will be meeting the center line. See? Did you do it? Great job! Now do the other side. Fold the edge to meet the center line. Now your paper should look something like this. The next step is to fold the hanging excess of paper right here. Did you find the excess paper located on the opposite side of the tip? Great! Now let's fold it under. Like this. Don't forget the other side. Fold the other side under. Wow! Now we have a long triangle. Then, we need to fold the triangle in half vertically. Close it like a book. There, it's closed. Did you do it? Great, we're almost done. The next step is to fold the wings down. To do that, we need to match the top edge with the bottom edge. Easy peasy. Repeat the step, turn over the paper, and fold the other wing. It's complete. Hold the base of your airplane and the wings just pop out. This is my paper airplane. Can you show me yours? Wow, yours looks so cool. But we're not done yet. We need to make a second airplane. Are you ready to make the second paper airplane? Fantastic! This one is going to be made a little differently since the design is also different. Let's make the stunt plane. Don't worry, we are going to be starting the same way as before. Do you remember what we need to do first? That's right. Let's fold this paper in half. We need a center line. Fold the paper in half vertically. Now unfold the paper and fold each of the top corners into the center line. Look, we have a tip right here. This is where we do things differently. We need to fold over the tip of the triangle right here, downwards. Keep the fold you made previously and fold the tip back upwards. Now, fold the paper in half vertically. Remember, use the center line as a guide. Fold it closed, just like a book. Next, turn the paper on its side to find the edge of the tip. This part right here. Do you see it on your paper? Great! Use this as a guide to fold the wings down. Let me show you. Use this part as a guide and fold it over like this. Did you do it? Great! Turn over the paper and do the other wing. Find the edge of the tip, use it as a guide, and fold it over. There! The last step is complete. You did it! You made a second paper airplane. Today we made paper airplanes, classic dart airplane and the stunt plane. Wow! Your airplanes look great. Shall we fly these airplanes? Let's go outside and fly your airplanes. Did you have fun making the airplane with me? Good, me too. I'll see you next time. Bye.